Hey everyone, Brandon Boyd here. I want to show you how to easily take BoydPips copy and paste trades as well as London Payout. So this is used on the web analyzer as well as the bounce back product and VIBRATA. So for example, so you got Telegram open, you got to make sure that all the alerts come through Telegram. And so this is BoydPips right here. It says BoydPips trade idea alert. It says log into your application and click on trade ideas, the light bulb. So let's say, for example, that we went inside the web analyzer. So you got to make sure that you are on the right place. I'm a webanalyzer.com, which you'll also be able to actually get in your back office as well. Once you're actually logged in, this is with your email username and password, you just click at the top. It says go to app. All right, go to app. Now right here on the left, it says trade ideas. So you click on trade ideas. So let's look at this just as an example. At the very top right here, new trade idea says BoydPips. It says I'm thinking about a buy on NZD USD. That's the New Zealand dollar, the United States dollar. It says around 0.63500. Okay, so that means you can either do a market execution or you can wait until it hits that point and actually get in the trade. And I'm going to actually show you how to do this. It does give you, as it lists here, TP1, that stands for take profit 1. It does have a take profit 2, take profit 3. Some people ask me, which one would you go for? Well, again, we want to go for layups, not necessarily 3-pointers and half-court shots. I'll typically do take profit 1. You can put in another trade if you want to and do take profit 2 as well. And then you can see there it says SL, that means stop loss. So let me show you how this works. So what we'd want to do is get out of here and go to MetaTrader 4. So this is your app, MetaTrader 4. That is the free trading app, all right? Now, once this opens up, you're gonna see under quotes where it says NZD USD. You click on that and you wanna click trade. Now at the top, this is a market execution. That means you're instantly going to get into the trade, all right? Now, depending on your account size, I typically recommend 0.10 per thousand. So let's just use mine as, we'll just do it as that, 0.10. This is your lot size. This is the risk that you are taking per trade, okay? So if you had a $2,000 account, it'd be 0.20. Now we want to go back and grab the stop loss. So let's go back to it. It said the stop loss, which is SL, is 63150. So you can either write it down or just put it in here, 63150. There we got the stop loss. And what do we want? We want the take profit. So you go back to the trade, take profit, 63,900. That's take profit 1. So right here. And when you're watching this, guys, you can actually watch it several times if you don't get it the first time. But now we have our stop loss, we have our take profit. When I click instant execution at the top, you see how it can change that. And let's just leave it at those 63,900. But now you've got the trade in, don't worry about deviation. And all I would do here is I would click what? I'd click the blue button, buy. Now I know this is different on an Android. You can look this up on YouTube for how to actually do it from an Android phone as far as the lines are different, because there's a red line for stop loss, a green line for the take profit, but you'll get the general idea here. So all I would do is I would click buy, and that would successfully put me into the trade. You're going to immediately, with the fee that the broker charges, you may immediately be in red or you could be in blue. So as we look at the London Payout with Kevin Serrano, you guys should have access to the web analyzer. There's the link right there. So new trade alert comes through. Again, this is copy and paste. I want you guys to do this again before learning the skill of how to trade. So all you do is you just click the link. That'll take you right into the web analyzer. At the top left, it says go to app. Just click on that. And right here on the left side, see where it has the red? It says power trades. You want to click on LP, that stands for London Payout. Click on that. And then I want to look at a trade idea. Let's do this one right here. And this is even from Dr. Kathy. You want to follow the ones that see where it says Kevin Serrano. He does London Payout. But let's even take the one that Dr. Kathy Kirtland has here. So this is, she says, I'm thinking about a sell on the EUR GBP, which is the Euro dollar and Great British Pound, around, and then again, it gives the price, 0.88401. She said type, it's a market execution, which means you instantly get into the trade, all right? And then it has TP1, that's take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3, and then there's the stop loss. So let's bring up the Euro GBP, right? Trade. So you want to bring this up, trade. We don't have to change anything under here for like a sell limit, buy limit, or sell stop, buy stop. Just leave it as instant execution. Let's leave it as 0.10 again, pretending that your account was at $1,000. Now we need what? The stop loss and the take profit, okay? So we go back to Telegram. So here we are. Again, what's our take profit? TP1, 88307. Go back to MetaTrader 4, click on the, let's make sure here. So the take profit 1, so yes, 88307. So you just go down here, 88307. And now we want to grab the stop loss. Stop loss is on there for SL, that is point, and then there's 5/8. So you'd put in right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And what did she say it was? She said, I'm thinking about a sell. So you have the sell. So you click the red button and boom, in the sell. And you just let it do its thing. You can allow it to hit the take profit. You can allow it to hit the, the stop loss, or you can manage the trade as well. We're typically going for a certain number of pips. In fact, as we look here, she'll even say notes, use proper risk management, using 5% of your count and stuff like that, going for 23 pips. At time we're typically looking on most trades going for 10 to 20 pips at a time, depending on the strategy. But guys, this is very simple. Look at this. So whether you're getting a trade through the BoydPips trade ideas like this, where would you go? You would literally click on the trade ideas light bulb there on the left. So here they come, all right? Or if you're getting London Payout with the web analyzer, you just click that link that brings you in right there. Go to app and then LP, there you are. So guys, this is how you copy and paste. You should watch this several times over so that you understand how to actually place a trade and use good risk management. Again, I tell people 0.10 per thousand on most accounts. That way that you are not leveraging too much of your money on any given trade. So this is how to copy and paste BoydPips trades as well as London Payout.